Attention DIYers, is your house falling apart? Have you got so many fix-it jobs you don't know where to start? You've been on Facebook forums, YouTube and the Google, but just can't get the right answers? Fear not, Old Mate's Advice is here. Old Mate's Advice is a new service for DIYers created by Hayden Meese, who joins me now in the Easy DIY workshop.
Thank you for having me.
Welcome. So what is Old Mate's Advice and how does it work for homeowners looking for DIY advice?
So Old Mate's Advice is a platform where you can meet tradies via video call. In this video call, you can seek advice from them, and the real sort of benefit to it is live video calls with a tradie, and you can walk around the home on your phone, showing the exact problem to them and get genuine advice from an expert. And it's all on a pay per minute basis.
So is it only for DIYs or can it be used for people that are maybe project managing a renovation or something like that?
Yeah, to be real simple about it, it's anyone that needs to speak to an expert in the field. So you can ask for quote advice on multiple quotes you've got for a job. You can ask for a small DIY, advice on a small DIY job, or a maintenance request.
And even if, say, someone's had a job done by a professional and it hasn't gone too well,
Yeah.
Can they get sort of feedback on what they should be expecting from professionals?
100%. It's non-biased, so neither the user or the tradie will know where the others are, and they never share any sort of private details. So there's nothing to gain from the tradie side for lying. If anything, they need to be genuine and give genuine advice, which comes from their experience.
So, we're both tradies. You've got a double degree. You're an electrician and a...
Double degree.
I'm just a locksmith. I guess tradies have got a bit of a reputation about being unreliable and,
Yeah.
their responsiveness isn't great. Because I imagine there'd be some situations where DIYs would need to talk to someone straight away.
You can connect to a plumber, for instance, in roughly about 2 minutes, depending on how quick you are going through the steps and paying. And once you pay, every plumber that is online at the moment and also registered will get a notification to come on and accept a call.
And how'd you come up with the name, Old Mate's Advice?
Old Mate's Advice name is a bit of a play on the service. So when first thinking about this business, I was imagining the sort of scenario when you would need to use Old Mate's Advice. And that is when you are looking at a certain job, speaking to your partner or whoever it may be, and trying to figure out who that person was, who does this job, who's an expert in this job. And you just want to call them up and understand, like, what is this? Is this right? Is it wrong? What should I do? How much? And that's kind of how Old Mate came into play, and Old Mate Advice came into play for the name.
Well, thanks for joining me in the Easy DIY workshop
worries.
today.
No
I
worries.
hope it all goes well.
Yeah, thank you.
Cheers. So there you have it, everyone. I think that the service that Old Mate's Advice provides for our members is a really good one because you can go to the group, you can ask the question if you really need that hands-on advice. You can't be bothered getting a tradie out and the cost of it as well. This is a really cost-effective way of doing it, and it's right there, ready to go whenever you need it. So jump on board. Click on the link that I'll put into the post description and it'll take you through to their website, and then you just click on Messenger or WhatsApp and then it'll be set up ready to go when you need it. Thanks guys.